Hello, it's Gem Games here once again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a platform that when you stand on it, it will disappear. So yeah, let's get started. First, you want to create a new blueprint class, actor, and call it platform. Let's open it. Let's go to the viewport and let's add a cube. Okay, let's change this cube's size to like 2 on X, 2 on Y, and 0.1 on Z, like that. Now let's change the material to grid. We have this prototype grid top dark. Okay. Now let's set the location set to -5. Okay. Now what we have to do, let's click on the default scene root. Let's add a collision. So box collision. Let's make the box collisions size. Let's make it like 2 and 2. Actually, let's make it 2.5 and 2.5. Okay, let's actually leave it a little bit from the corners like that. Now let's change the set size to 0.1, and yeah, it can be like that. Okay, now let's rename this to collision. Now let's scroll down from here and let's click on the on component begin overlap. Okay, from here, from the other actor, we want to cast to third person character like this. Okay, so when we are overlapping this collision with the third person character, then what we want to do, we want to get a little delay. I want to make it like, let's make it 1 second. You can obviously make it however you want. After that, we want to destroy actor. So let's compile, save, and we can close this. Now let's move, actually let's make this 100 first, and let's enable it. Let's move this platform to the level. Okay, let's move it to here, and as you can see, it's aligning with this platform, this like thing here. So let's add a few more of these. So Control and D to duplicate. Let's move it to here. Now let's select both of these, Control and left click on both, Control D to duplicate. Move these to here. Let's select all, D, like that. So let's save and let's play. Let's try and see what happens when we step on them. And you can see everything is working like it's supposed to work. So yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you in the next one.